How to download and install Google Chrome on a PC or laptop. Open any web browser. Go to google.com. Type Chrome in the search box. Click on the official Chrome website. Click Download Chrome. Once the download is complete, left-click the Chrome installer to begin the installation. Click Yes. You can sign into your Google account in Chrome to sync your browsing history across all the devices you use. Click Sign In. Enter your Google account. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Next. Click Yes, I'm in. You can set Google Chrome as your default browser. Click Set as Default. Click Set Default. If any browser settings aren't set as default yet, click them to make Chrome the default. Select Chrome. Click Set Default. That's all it takes to download and install Google Chrome on your PC or laptop.